Finland don't finally respond to Nigeria government over my Simon Ekpa rendition. As it be like this now, they say that they don't respond. The content them say may they calm down or say that they work on the issue based on legal process before they go fit talk anything. So I go play the video, may you watch before we come back. Can't continue. However, as that one they happen, they can't tell us say that Simon Ekpa don't run comot for Finland enter Venezuela. But Simon Ekpa can't drop a video this morning. Can't tell them say even they run around for inside the villa for inside Venezuela as they claim. As that one they happen, they say that the Hausas don't come outside. The can't say there's nothing like Arewa in Hausa land. That the Fulanese are people who just come. Can't take over their land and they go rise against this situation. Now be the voice. I go play you this voice. May you know I say they happen for the area. Don't forget to see there for Blabadis. Please make sure say you share this video and make sure say they follow all our social media handles. I'm going to play this video coming from Finland. Waiting they talk regarding the request where the Nigeria government they made to deport or to rendition Simon Ekpa back to Nigeria as they claim. So watch the video.
We have taken this up and discussed this with the Nigerian authorities in full collaboration. And the entire process is within our judicial system. And in Finland, who operates very strictly by the rule of law, such as we see that Nigeria is doing as well. It is not the political question, but it is a question to the judicial system. And both our judicial systems do collaborate on this matter. And we hope that we will be able to close it soon. What comes to education, indeed, I guess all of us in the Nordics pride ourselves of focusing very much on human capital and education, since in order to thrive and prosper, we not only need stability and trust in our societies, but we also need for the possibility for each and every individual, independent of where he or she comes from, the possibility to thrive in her life based on education and the ability to work and be an entrepreneur. And indeed, just today I had the chance to meet with the Finnish embassy staff here, and I was very intrigued by the growing number of student visa applications and work permit applications that Nigerians and other people in the region are putting through our embassy and our consular services. And we are obviously very glad for the interest, and we are processing each and every application with the thoroughness it needs. And we are very open and welcoming to new talents to Finland. And of course, also from the point of view that we know that it's very beneficial for people to perhaps study elsewhere and maybe return someday to build Nigeria's future as well. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll be pleased to address the last question, the one on any.
Okay, I want you to also watch the second video. That as they are claiming that Simon Ekpa have been fleeing to Venezuela, and Simon Ekpa dropped a video this morning telling them that he's in presidential villa running. Watch the video.
Good morning from Venezuela, the city of Venezuela. I'm jogging in the president's office. Venezuela this morning. Smelling of jazz.
We have said this thing before in this channel, and we are going to say it again. Rendition Simon Ekpa is not the solution in this whole matter. Likewise, the way that people are saying catching Nnamdi Kanu, people are betting on his head, and for them to catch him, since they catching Nnamdi Kanu, didn't bring any solution to the problem, rather to escalate it more. So them renditioning Simon Ekpa is going to escalate it more, because the people are no longer listening to the governors or to the traditional rulers. They only listen to Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa, okay, currently as it stands now. So the Nigerian government, if they truly love the Easterners, if they truly know that they are one Nigeria, they should look into what these people is fighting for, and there should be a negotiation. You cannot even though our normal life, the marriage we are into, if it don't work for you, you can leave and choose another partner. This is how this thing is been. But some people seem to understand this thing. The people who are talking, we don't want to be here, they are not fools. They must listen to. This is my advice to whosoever that are advising the Nigerian government. Capturing Simon Ekpa is going to escalate it more and more and make it more dangerous. It can lead to another thing entirely. So I think the best solution here is releasing Nnamdi Kanu and let there be dialogue. There is no country that has been that has have a success in suppressing the other part of the country or bringing war to other part of the country and holding peace to other part of the country. There is no country that move forward with this. So the only solution here, that this is my own contribution. The reason Nnamdi Kanu, reset around table, let there be a dialogue. There is a heavy tribalism in Nigeria. All tribe hate each other, and the government think they can manage this situation by pretending that we are one Nigeria. Some other people are telling the other part, we are one, we are going nowhere. It is a strong power in togetherness, but you cannot force somebody to join that force. There must still be a discussion. I want Nigeria to learn from the other bigger continents, other bigger countries. Learn from how they can be able to manage as a country that up to 3 billion, 2 billion plus. So this is very simple. You cannot hold people. You cannot beat a child and ask that child to keep quiet. He cannot keep quiet for long. He must cry. It's a nature. So for me, my own opinion, renditioning Simon Ekpa is not the solution here. The solution is in you people's hand. Nnamdi Kanu is there with you people. You can dialogue with him. You can call the Biafran people. What actually do you need? This is what they need. Okay, offer them something and see if that will be better for them, or if they still insist on what they are saying, then let there be, than we killing ourselves, protecting what we did not create at the first place, because Nigerians never created Nigeria in the first place. You cannot protect what you did not create. You only protect what you created. So we will create Nigeria by we coming together, everyone coming together, and lay our grievances and leave everything in the table and agree on one thing, make a constitution that is going to favor everybody in the country. But say we go in this way, if you hold Simon Ekpa, another person will rise up. It's a ideology you cannot kill. Do you know that in Southeast today, the people of Mazop claim they are under independent. They have their army, they have their police, they have their court, they have everything. Yes, I cannot see agitating for Biafra, but they have everything. Okay, the Mazop have declared independent for a long time, and they are operating on it. They don't believe in Nigeria system. The same way the IPOB, the same way the Biafra government in exile, the same ideology of Nnamdi Kanu. So another person is going to buy it. Okay, the former deputy of Nnamdi Kanu have coming up with his own, say that is Igbo Biafra. I see another person one time is coming up again with a different view, but all are the same cause. So if the government think that this is all about power, diplomatic, we own a country, we own a passport, we can do anything, we can arrest anybody, we can use our Interpol, we can shut anybody down. No, you are making it more worse. A time will come, those people will be thinking to possess everything you have, more than even having advanced weapon of what you have to defend yourself. At that time, your government is useless, because some international community will see their potential and be choosing to be ally with them. This is very simple. So when going to arrest Simon Ekpa, think wise. The same way you people kidnap Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya, did you think wise? Do you think that the court, maybe you people think that taking him to court The court will say you do this, you do that, for that we join you. But Nnamdi Kanu was set free in your own court. So that is the problem Nigerians have. The way you see things, normal eyes. Maybe you do something, you say something, but when we get to court, the court say you are innocent. They work under the laws. There's laws that guide every word you say. And it's not everything you say they will use to judge you. So Nigeria should think wise before planning to go and rendition Simon Ekpa. This is the message I got to drop for the government. Let them look into this. I don't know who is advising the Nigerians. I don't know who is giving them this shut them up. They can't do anything. Ohaneze, we are the governor. We are with we want Nigeria. Nobody can do with our nation. Why your people are saying we don't want to belong here? So if Nigeria think that they can kill this matter with prison, with laws of if you protest we'll jail you for 10 years, if you insult the government we'll tell you, you people are making a very big mistake, because somebody more dangerous will rise from nowhere, and about that time, like I said before, your government have nothing to do about it. So my people, now so a bit for my own matter, I beg wanna share the video. I may not agree with Simon Ekpa in different ways. He's doing his own thing, but this is my own view of this whole thing. Are Igbos truly marginalized in Nigeria? The truth of the matter is yes. Then what is the solution? The government, now truly these people have been marginalized. We deny them so many things, and they are saying they don't want to be part of the country anymore. The North have make it clear recently that Tinubu should act fast so that North will go their own to avoid separating with fight. So now, if North say they want to go, is Igbo is going to fight the North, or the Yorubas are going to fight the North to stop them from going? You see where the whole thing is coming from. No arrests have been made in the North of people that are making this statement. They are free working. But some set of people will make a statement, it will become a crime. What have Igbo man done in Nigeria to deserve all these things? So if you watch this Biafra issue today, they see it as is Igbo that carry it in their head. But there is so many people that is Biafra. They are not talking. Rather, they are fighting the Igbos as well. So this whole thing will end a round table. There's no way out. And ending in one table is not with the Ohaneze and Igbo, the governors. No, it's with the people. The people who are feeling the pains. I better share the video.